crazy.
YouTube, let's get it. Back with another vid, YouTube. It's your boy Big Gap. And today, we will be unboxing the new Rlaarlo DSK roller, baby. And I've been waiting for a while on this one. It took it about almost 2 weeks to get it. Well, it took it right at 2 weeks to get here, but it finally showed up. I'm gonna say this once again: pack your patience when you order straight from Rlaarlo. I don't understand how some people can get theirs in 2 or 3 days, but every single time I order straight from Rlaarlo, it takes a long time. I was gonna do this whole funny skit about it, but you know, sometimes you just don't be feeling it. You just wanna get the car out the box and see what it can do, man. And this is one of those times. But we'll be going over what we're gonna put in it first before we take the car out of the box. We're gonna take out what we're gonna put in the car first, and then we're gonna get the car out of the box. So y'all hold tight. Let me get this car down off the table, and we're gonna get these parts out. Let's get it. All right. First up, we're going with the hobby part, 35 kg servo, baby. Yes, sir. Loving these things. I'm not gonna take these two out because it's gonna probably be the last part of the install, but. And we have the Fly Sky G11P gyro receiver, baby. And we'll get this on out the box. We'll go with this one first. We have the Hobby Wing 1650, the 4990 1650 G2 motor. I know y'all gonna say, man, 1650 is too much for it. It's not. It's just depending on how you gear it and, you know what I'm saying, what cell you run the truck on. Run the car on. We're gonna be just running this car mostly on 4S. Sometimes every now and then I'm gonna pop 6S in there, but most cases it'll just be 4S. I probably put like a 19 or 22 pinion on there. But here's your motor. Brand spanking newski. There she goes. 4990 1650 kV motor. Got all this in 513. Next up, you have your ESC. This is an XC ESC. I was gonna do something totally different in this car, but it didn't work out the way that it was supposed to work out. And the XC ESC is the one I had for a little while. I was gonna use this in another project, but I said, you know what? Since my other stuff didn't work out, I'm just gonna use this one. But its sensor goes straight over to the Hobby Wing, so we should be good. But this is the E6. This is a 200 amp ESC, 3 to 8S, 200 amp ESC right here. Seen one, you seen them all. All come with the same stuff. What I'm digging about all of the XC ESCs too, all of them, you can use the Bluetooth on all of their motors and ESCs. So I'm really digging that. But there she goes, man. We hope this fit. This should fit in this buggy. We'll see. Got to do some soldering. Alrighty, let's pop this thing open, man. See what we got. Pop it open and see what we got, y'all. I waited long enough on it. I definitely waited long enough. Pop this last seal. We're gonna open it up together. Get our first look together. I have not seen one of these. I've watched a million videos, but I haven't seen one in person. So y'all get to see it before me. Alrighty, going through what comes in the box. I don't know what this is right here, but this is pretty cool. It's a protection to keep the car from, I guess, bouncing around in the box, tearing it up. That's pretty cool. You know, I like a good presentation on the car. This one right here. All right, so in the bag you got a whole bunch of stuff. You got double-sided tape. You have Allen keys. You have a metal 17 millimeter hex wrench. That's always good. You got stickers in the bag, and you have your manual. Your manual is very, very thick manual right there. Here's your wing. Here is your wing right here, baby. Yes, sir. This ain't gonna be a real thorough unboxing because I'm super late to the party. Because a lot of people got this car already. So like I said, it won't be a thorough unboxing, but an unboxing nonetheless. All right, in this bag is a lot of this, even more stuff. We got battery trays. You have more servo horns. A lot of stuff for adjustability for your racing. You got another receiver box in there. You got another ESC mount in there. Whole bunch of stuff, man. Antenna tubes, pinion gears, all kind of stuff in this bag right here. And but this is for if you want to make it more race worthy. Mine is gonna be a basher. It's gonna race too, but it won't be like real deal track racing. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna be more for fun. And it was just overdue. I haven't bought a buggy. Well, I did bought my hyper buggy, but I haven't even ran it yet. But yeah. But there we go. All right, let's get this car out of the box so we can get this thing built and ready to go. And voila, there she goes. She is the roller. Looks pretty good, man. Body looks dope. I mean, with the way the body's set up, I don't even see where you really even need stickers. The way the body is painted, I guess, you know what I mean? But yeah, it doesn't really need the stickers if you ask me. Looks pretty cool how it is. Let's pop this hood. Got the Velcro on the side. That's always dope. A nice extra. Goes up under the hood right there. Motor goes right here on this side. ESC goes back here. Let's see if this ESC gonna fit easily. ESC is pretty big. Let's see. I don't know, y'all. She might just not fit. She might be a little too big. Will she go this way? No, she won't go this way. I might should have stuck to my original plan. My original plan was the Mama Monster 8S. Mama Monster 8S is a little bit smaller than this one. But let me see. Can we get it in there and make it work? I think we will with a little bit of shaving of this rear brace. I mean this rear hinge pin holder right here. Just a little bit of shaving on it, and I think we should be able to. Yep, there we go, right there. We smashed it down, baby. We got it in there. Yes, sir. She is in there, y'all. The motor will be over that way, so I'll keep it just like that and run the wires back here, over here to the ESC. And yeah, look like she gonna work, y'all. I wonder, I know this has a lot of adjustability on here. I wonder, can the battery tray slide? I can't really tell whether the battery tray can actually slide. I may hack on it and just cut the back of it off, because the ESC will stop the actual batteries from sliding. I may hack the back of it off to give me a couple of more millimeters, just so my wire right here, my sensor wire won't be smashed. It won't smash and break it in. It don't run sensor. To me, it's pointless to have a sensor, the ESC, and don't run its sensor. So I may just slice a little bit of that battery tray off, and we may just be good just with that. We'll still have plenty enough space for the actual battery. Yeah, that's probably what I'll do. But there she goes right there, man. Like I said, you've seen 1,000 unboxings of this already, so it's no point. It's pointless for me to try to go into all the major details of it. We just finna get this stuff installed and get this thing ready to go. So y'all hold tight. When I come back, I'll have everything installed, everything ready to go. We'll test it out, get a little B-roll of it, and we'll get out of here. So y'all hold tight. I'll be back with you in 1 second. Let's get it. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are back. Got the electronics in. I had to swap it up. I had to go with the Castle 1520 1650 kV motor because of the size, the 1717 size. It was scraping the bottom of the chassis. I could have made it work by just shaving off a little bit on the chassis, but I didn't want to do that to a brand new chassis. So there she goes in there. We got a mmx8s in there. Got our servo in there. And she good to go, y'all. She is good to go. So with that being said, man. Alright, so there she is, man. Rlaarlo DSK. Something just ain't right about it though. What y'all think, man? Something does not seem right about this car, man. Let's see if we can change that. Yeah, that's a little bit better, but it's just still missing something, man. I don't know what it is. I can't put my hand on what it's missing. Let's try it again. Yes, sir. Now that's more like it right there, baby. Let's get it.
Stuffy, you crazy.
All right, y'all, we back. Hope y'all like it, man. It's the Nike version of the DSK. Not a flawless job, but I'm getting there. I'm still a work in progress, but I'm definitely getting better each and every time I do one of these theme bodies. But there it is right there in a nutshell, baby. The DSK, I can't wait to get this thing out, man. Our weather is horrible. I wanted to take it out today, but the weather is trash out there, y'all. It is straight trash out there. And also I gotta glue these tires. I ran out of glue gluing 2 of them, so I gotta get the other 2, so I have to get some more glue anyway. But the wheels is a Typhon style wheel, just like the Armour Typhon 6S. So there she go, man, the DSK Nike edition. I appreciate y'all sticking around watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, dislike, whatever you like. YouTube. And man,